Medikonda Nutrients is a trusted manufacturer and supplier of export-grade powder, serving global B2B ingredient markets. Our ube, purple yam, powder is produced through a carefully controlled, hygienic processing system designed to preserve its natural purple color, nutritional integrity, and functional performance for global food, nutraceutical, and beverage applications. Fresh, mature ube roots are sourced from trusted farms where cultivation practices emphasize soil health, crop maturity, and traceability. Only premium-grade yams with rich pigmentation are selected for processing. The harvested ube is meticulously sorted to remove damaged or substandard material. Selected roots undergo multi-stage washing to eliminate soil, debris, and surface impurities, ensuring a clean raw input. After washing, the ube is gently peeled and uniformly sliced. Controlled slicing ensures even drying while minimizing nutrient degradation and color loss. Slices are dried under carefully regulated temperature and airflow conditions. This controlled drying process helps retain natural purple anthocyanin pigments, carbohydrates, and fiber. Flavor and aroma characteristics. Once fully dried, the ube slices are milled using food-grade grinding systems to achieve a consistent, fine powder texture suitable for multiple formulations. The ground powder is passed through precision sieves to ensure color consistency, moisture levels, and purity. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while preserving nutritional value. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process, ensuring it meets our international quality standards. Finally, our ube powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.